hope you're doing absolutely amazing. Welcome to this video. We have reached almost the end of November. I haven't even taken down my Halloween stuff yet, which probably means I'm a little bit lazy, but I can live with that. November is the month where we put a little bit more focus on mental health, and I really hope and wish that you also try to do that, even though we are going into December and the rest of the months towards during the year, because I want you to do good. I want you to focus on you. I want you to focus on your needs, and we can't just do that if we only do it during November. So I hope the best for you. I hope that you really take the time to focus on what is it that you need. Mental health is really important aspect of life. It's something you have to work on forever. It's not something that just gets fixed from one day to the other, even though it may feel like it. The past, the struggles, the things that we work on towards doing our life is something that's going to be with us forever. So I want you to not only think about it during November, but I want you to try and work towards a better, stronger you all the time, every single day, because it is going to be a continuous fight. It will never not be there. The struggles will never disappear for good. Sadly, it is something we have to work with towards being better all the time, to try and find that inner peace, if you may call it that. So please do yourself a favor and don't let it just be November. Let it be every single day. I sincerely hope you're doing amazing. I sincerely hope you are healthy and strong. Let's fight these demons together, not only this month, but all the time. I wish you the best. Thank you so much for watching, and let's fight this stuff together every day.